How's it going, everyone? Mike here with Merch by Amazon March 15th sales update. Today was a interesting day. Let's go with interesting and surprising. We'll go with interesting and surprising. And if you haven't noticed it yet, you will pretty soon. But I woke up to a nice surprise. So, as you can see here, total sales for the day in the US, 9. Which is not a bad day. But then if we go down here, Japan, 15. And that's actually what I woke up to. So we'll look at that specifically, but it's only one shirt and it's sold 15 times. But the way I think happened is it could be a shirt that you would buy for a group. So I think somebody just basically bought 15 of the same shirt, and that was it. So it definitely isn't something that sold throughout the day. I think it was a one-time purchase, and like I said, it was there before I woke up. So I'm not 100% sure that it wasn't 15 individual purchases, but I'm assuming that it wasn't. So anyways, let's look at some of these numbers. 9, like I said, today. This is the US. For the 7-day average of 67, which has been slowly creeping up, and that brings the total to 121, which is getting close to the previous month, and it's only the 15th. So that's not bad. Let's see, what was it that I wanted to? Okay, so 121 here, and brings the total number of sales for the month across all marketplaces to 150. So it's the 15th, 150. That means that at this point I'm averaging exactly 10 a day, which is not so bad. As you can see here, over $2,200. Well, I think it's actually closer with this to about $2,500 in sales, which is again not so bad. And then we're looking at, if I do the math quickly, about $450 plus $50, so about $500 in royalties so far, which is actually amazing. You can see the sales here across all marketplaces. I guess Italy's the only one where I don't have any sales this month, but it's fairly close across the board with a bunch of 2s, and then of course UK and Japan right now stand out. So 150, it's the 15th. That's not bad. Quickly, I want to talk about live products. If you've watched any of the previous videos regularly, I keep talking about recycling products. Basically, right now I've been listing all the designs to a bunch of products that I think would work, and then for, let's say, I would say hundreds of designs, I was listing them on pillows and tote bags. But now I was looking at some numbers, and if I compare my, let's see, where was it? iPhone cases and Galaxy cases, you can see that it's 12 to 1. So for every one Galaxy case that I sell, and this could be the only one, I'm selling 12 iPhone cases. And then I ran a different report, and you can't see it here, it's off screen, but these are all of my live Samsung cases, and I have 1,798 as of right now. So the big question is going to be, once I start deleting tote bags and pillows, do I move on to Samsung cases? Because that now opens maybe about 6,000 products that I could replace, for example, and I would of course go with standard premium tees, pop sockets, and for sure iPhone cases. I'm throwing in hoodies for a couple of products that I think would work nicely, but those other ones would be my prime products. So anyways, a lot of questions I'm going to try and keep these videos short, so I'm going to start wrapping up, but just quickly to go over the numbers. Today's sales 9, and it's still somewhat early, so there could be more. Last 7 days 67, this month 121. That's in the U.S. And it's for the total of 150 across the board. Anyways, as always, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or anything, leave them down below.